Let's run a simple experiment. Take a clay jar. Put a copper cylinder inside. Add an iron rod. Now pour in something acidic, like vinegar. What do you get? A weak, but real electric current. Now imagine this exact setup was discovered, buried underground, and it's over 2,000 years old. In the 1930s, near Baghdad, archaeologists uncovered a strange object, a small clay jar. Inside it, a rolled copper sheet, and at the center, an iron rod. It didn't look like much, until someone asked a simple question. Was this a battery? When researchers recreated the object and filled it with an acidic liquid, something unexpected happened. It produced electricity. Not a lot, but enough to measure. Enough to prove this wasn't just a random container. This was a system, a design. But here's where things get complicated. There's no evidence that ancient Mesopotamians used electricity in any obvious way. No wires, no devices. No written records describing electrical use. So if this really was a battery, what was it for? Theory 1. Electroplating. Some scientists believe it was used to coat objects with a thin layer of metal, a primitive form of electroplating. Theory 2. Medical use. Others suggest it may have been used for mild electric stimulation, possibly for pain relief. Theory 3. Ritual object. Or maybe it wasn't practical at all. Maybe it was symbolic, or experimental, or even accidental. But here's another way to look at it. What if this wasn't a battery in the way we understand it today? What if it was part of a process we haven't fully reconstructed yet? Because history doesn't always leave clear instructions. Sometimes it leaves fragments. And we're the ones trying to guess the system. The so-called Baghdad Battery might not rewrite the history of electricity, but it does something more interesting. It forces us to question how much ancient people really understood, and how much we've forgotten. If you're curious about ancient mysteries like this, subscribe, because the past still has secrets we don't fully understand.